I just heard a car crash. Look at that. Now there's slow traffic. Oh my god. What in God's name just happened? I need my slippers. Okay. Oh my god. What happened? Freaking car crash. 18-wheeler in another car. Oh, I see it.
Every night?
Every night.
I've seen one flip like
What just happened? Oh my god.
Talking about right here. I don't know if this motherfucker get distracted with the apartment or what.
Jesus.
Some shit every night. God.
Oh, what the What in God's name? I am so glad that we didn't go driving last night. Bro.
The
18-wheeler.
literally like now. You was up in that shit? Yo, that shit is crazy. Like, that was almost like that 18 was smashed into that shit. Like, I heard the tire screech and everything.
I did too. I was just in here playing on my phone. I hear me over here going outside. I don't even know what's going on.
I don't know, the truck got tired and see, but he just smashed the shit out the back.
No close counters of any kind. What just happened? A car crash.
And it's gonna be some more shit, watch.
Oh, well, there they come already.
Damn. So I just got hit.
They already know. They're like, oh, say, I know exactly where
You know exactly where the fuck I'm at. Right here by the pond where the last accident happened. And the one that happened this morning. Oh, I know that shit's scary as fuck. Oh, I know that's scary. Talking about 18
Where the 18-wheeler at?
up there.
Oh, it's over there. 18-wheeler piece of trash.